Welcome students. We discuss unit first AC fundamentals. In last lecture we discussed generation of AC voltages by by using the magnets produce single phase AC supply. Another method generating of AC voltages by using the electronic oscilloscope, electronic function generators, and with variable frequency. ACO pumps may also create electronic using function generators. With function generators, you are not limited or to sinusoidal AC gear. See the function generator. By using function generator, we create the sinusoidal waveform. See this sine wave, square wave, and triangle wave. This is the sample waveform for generation after electronic generator. Let's discuss the how instantaneous values. How instantaneous values in this sinusoidal waveform at particular instant. It is variable from time to time. It completes one cycle. While voltage changes from instant to instant, the value of voltage at any point on waveform is referred to as instantaneous value. See this instant at T position. How much voltage? 20 volt. See this instant at 2 time 2 millisecond. This is the 35 volt. This is the instantaneous instant to instant change in voltage levels. This is called the instantaneous values. Voltage as peak value of 40 volt. This is the maximum peak value. This is the maximum peak value. See the graph at the tip. This 40 volt values times cycle time of 6 millisecond. How to complete one cycle in 6 millisecond? Complete one half positive, one half negative part. Complete one cycle sinusoidal waveform. Next, voltage and current conventions for AC supply. This is the polarity. This is the polarity convention signs for half cycle. This is the positive for this negative part, negative voltages, voltage and current waveforms. This is the convergence for conversion a voltage and current for AC supply. During the first half cycle, voltage polarities and current directions are shown in figure. Therefore, voltage and currents are positive. During the second half cycle, voltage polarity and current direction are opposite. Show this waveform. See the next supply references for the voltages and current flowing through the resistive part. This is the voltage levels. See the at T1 time voltage is 10 volt. See the T1 at 10 volt and current flowing through this circuit 2 ampere. Thus the voltage and current have the polarity and directions indicated. This is the time T2 E is equal to minus 10 volt and I is equal to minus 2. This is see the voltage polarity. Voltage polarity and opposite direction. This is the negative direction shown, negative voltage arrow directions. See the periodic waveform. Waveform means it is a graphical representation of AC quantity. It is a graphical representation of AC quantity or waveforms repeat at regular intervals. Show that such a group discrete frequency, period, amplitude and peak value depends on this waveform. This waveform. So frequency, how much frequency? Number of cycles per second of waveform is called frequency. See this number of cycle 1 second completed in 1 cycle. How much? Frequency. Number of cycles completes in 1 second is called frequency. Therefore, 1 hertz is equal to 1 cycle per second. See this second D diagram, 2 cycle per second. Therefore, 2 hertz frequency. 60 cycle per second is equal to 60 hertz. In India, as per the Indian standard, our frequency is 50 hertz. Therefore, 50 cycles per second. Therefore, it is 50 hertz. As per the AC supply of Indian standard AC supply frequency is 50 hertz. Therefore, in 1 second, number of cycles, how much? 50 cycles completed in 1 second. SI units is hertz, denoted by H, Z, M in honor pioneer researcher Heinrich Hertz. Thank you.